Galesburg City Council heard an ordinance change that would make it easier to demolish dangerous buildings. Maddie Fran shows us what this change would be and why some city leaders say it would help public safety.
A month ago, this dirt lot on Duffield Avenue had a two-story home, but it caught fire the morning of February 8th.
It was a brick home, the walls were leaning.
Galesburg Fire Chief Randy Hovind was there with his crew. The home was damaged beyond repair.
We decided for the safety of the public, we needed to get it down as fast as possible.
It's one of 4 buildings the city has taken down with its emergency demolition ordinance. Right now, a building has to sustain damage of at least 75% of its assessed value to need demolition.
We would go on to the city assessor's website and look at their valuations that they have for the property.
Steve Gugliotta is Director of Community Development.
To try and determine our best guess of what the value was and what the renovations may require.
He's part of the decision-making team for those emergency demolitions. He says the current process leaves too much room for ambiguity.
You know, maybe there's a partial collapse imminent. We don't want to have to wait for someone to determine, you know, have they met the 75% threshold when the focus should be safety for the public.
This is an amendment to Chapter 94 regarding emergency demolitions.
So he and Hovind asked council to change it.
This just makes it so we can expedite it if we need to.
The decision will be based on risk to the public instead of their best guess on property values.
We don't want to have to wait and make a situation worse.
Even though the new process would be faster,
well, my biggest hope?
It's not the first choice.
My biggest hope is we don't have to use it.
In Galesburg, Maddie Franz, WQAD News 8.
Now, City Council saw the amendment for the first time tonight. It will vote at its next meeting on March 16th.